Here's the key fob for your Nissan Sentra. First thing we'll do is we'll slide this switch, get the physical key out. Now right over there we'll need to get a small flathead screwdriver. It can't be too thick, it has to be thin, like the edge of it has to be thin. Put it right over there in that little gap there and then twist it. That's gonna help you pry this remote open just a little bit. Once it opens up a little bit, just go along the edge there and then twist it again a little bit. That's gonna help you pry it open all the way. The side with the chip, keep it aside. Let's focus on this side. Put the screwdriver right where I'm putting, and from there try and pry the battery out. It may take you a few seconds, so be patient. Now the battery side is CR2032. The positive side has a plus sign, negative side has no markings. Check the link in description to buy the new battery from Amazon and then put it back in with the negative side facing upwards, just the way I'm showing. Let's see. Okay, it's secured in place. Now this side with the chip, just leave it there. Put this side with the battery on it and then press them both together and then put this physical key back in, and then let's go ahead and try it out. This is working good, and so is the lock button. And that's it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.